Welcome back. So you might be wondering why you need an engraver on your homestead. Well, need is a strong term. But if you were doing farmers markets and things like that, and you wanted your logo on some things, and you wanted to be able to potentially sell things like tumblers, or if you just wanted to add another level of income potentially to your farm or little homestead, the Creality Falcon A5 might be right for you. Creality sent us the Falcon. It's A5, right?
A1.
A1?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's the A1. So there's a reason why I'm not doing this review alone. I have Youngest Flannel, aka Assistant Farm Manager, with me because he has 3D printers and 3D printing pens and all these types of things, and he had actually been looking into an engraver / cutter for quite some time. So when Creality said they would send us one for us to play with, we decided to say yes. Now we don't do unboxing here because we want to pull it out and mess with it and make sure that it actually works. And as you can see from all the various test things behind me, we have been messing with this thing for what, 3 or 4 days now?
Yep.
Give or take?
Yeah, 3 or 4 days.
So the Creality Falcon A1. The Creality Falcon A1 has a 10,000 watt laser, is that right?
Yes.
And it can do what?
It can cut through wood, it can engrave on wood, and it can even do it on metals and a variety of objects.
It has a bunch of different options. It came with some software, which we're going to show you here. And currently we have it set up so that you can start to do some things. Have you created our Flannel Farms established yet?
No.
All right, so why don't you do that? He's going to do that in real time, and I'm going to show you some of the other things we've done. So we took our logo and we attempted to have it burned into the material, and it did okay. But the more shading and things that it has, and the more detail, we realized it didn't really do so well. It's much better at straight line type things. So we did a couple where he created these in Canva. He did a few different ones with the depth of the laser cut, which you can adjust, with the thinness of the line that the laser makes. Think in like terms of pixels. And various depths and various powers gave us various results. Now, the stag head you see in the middle was from their library of creator-made pictures. Same with this beautiful dog right here. And you can see these are nice crisp lines, and when you pull one of these and set it, it does the depths and things like that for you. Now they sent us 2 types of wood. They sent us this light basswood, and then they sent us a dark walnut. And when you're using the program, it's important to note that you put in what type of material you're using and the thickness. This is 3 millimeters. And all we're doing right now is engraving because we don't have the correct bottom for cutting. They actually sell a honeycomb edition that you would put on the bottom, and then if you were cutting it out to make, say, 3D puzzles, then you would need that on it. The legs also actually come off and you can extend it. And if you were doing something like a tumbler, there is an additional rotary piece that you can purchase. And what that does is puts the tumbler on a rotisserie so it keeps it cutting at the right depth and length and things like that. And it will do stainless and painted, it will do leather, it will do wood, and it will cut and or engrave. It also comes with an air filter. Now, it says in the directions that once you can begin to smell, change your filter. Well, from Jump Street, we could smell it. It's a pleasant wood burning smell. It's not terrible. But there's a reason that we're out here in our cabin that gets used for everything. I think this is much more of a garage type setting or maybe a shed. I don't know that I would necessarily have it in your house. Again, the filter claims to do all the particulate things and have it non-toxic and all that, but it'll give you a scent, and it just does.
I think I do believe that the air filter does not come with it. It comes separate.
Okay, that's an additional.
Yeah, it's one of those things you can buy with it. Though it does come with this pipe, and this pipe you can pump, say, through a window or to a trash can. What I do like is that the smoke purifier does take away a lot of the smell and the dust. And if you do see here, I believe I set one out a little while ago. This knife. I've taken it out and look at all that stuff it did take out with it.
So it works well. And they sent a pack of filters with it. Just as a side note, they send you 10 of these that are 3 millimeter, and I believe it's $16 for a 10 pack. So when you're thinking about how much money could I sell things for and make it farmers markets if you were to create custom things like that, that's important to note. So he has put our logo in, and we're not trying to necessarily center anything or make it super specific. We're just getting it going. And you can see there's a grid on the screen.
Now the frame button will move the laser and you will see a little laser, but that will not cut through the wood or engrave on it. That will just let you know where it is going to engrave. Now I like that feature because it is pretty handy, so then you can fine tune where you want it to be. So once you have it positioned where you want it to be, so say I like where it is right now, I turn on the smoke purifier, then you press start. It says here it should only take a few seconds or minutes sometimes.
It does give you a time on the side of how long it will take for it to cut.
Oh, you want this?
When we did the Flannel Farms logo, it took forever because each one of those little dark spots it had to burn. It took a very, very long time. But when you're doing something just like this, it doesn't take long at all. As a matter of fact, you can see it's already nearly done.
I actually like when it does it that way because it looks like it is drawn with a pencil.
It does.
So if you look at these, so it drew the outside first and then moved toward the inside to move on more of the detail. And I like how that looked. It looks almost like someone drew it with a pencil.
So you can see the grid here where it set it up for us. And you can line things up according to the grid, and it has a camera inside that is giving you real-time pictures of that. And I believe it's finished already. So you want to pull that out?
Way.
There you go. Flannel Farms established 2021. So when we were talking about doing things at a farmer's market, in theory, you could take a generator with you, hook this thing up, have a couple examples, and you could print anniversary dates for people, where they met. You could put all those sorts of things through the Creality software. You could preload a few and then just change the dates or the time. You could do maps. There's a bunch of super interesting creative things that they have through their community group that you can pull from and use, and I'm not a terribly creative person. Assistant Flannel Farm Manager is much more creative than I. And there are people out there who do all sorts of wonderful creative things, so he can create something and upload it to this community as well. I'm a straightforward kind of, hey, let's just make our farm logo. But the Creality A1 Falcon is an inexpensive, well-made, beginner's type engraver / cutter that if you're interested in doing something that actually works and you want to kind of dip your toe into this exploratory field, this is a good thing to start with. Like I said, there's lots of options and upgrades that you can get for it. But just to start off with, this is a well-made, well-built machine. One of the things I like that we forgot to mention, and maybe youngest Flannel will tell me, is why don't we have to wear glasses when we're using this thing?
So if you look closely, you'll see an orange tint instead of more of your average clear. And that is basically how safety glasses work, because if you like to work in garages and build things with your hands, you notice that sometimes you have to wear those glasses that have that tint to it. That's what this is. So you don't have to wear goggles, since this will protect your eyes from those harmful rays.
And you don't have to worry about somebody coming into the garage while you're working and telling them not to go blind. If you click on the description, we'll have a link to Creality's website, and you can see this and see what other people have thought about it and prices and all that kind of thing. But we're going to get back to creating stuff. So, my name is Brian. This is... My name is Brian. Thanks for watching. This is...
The Assistant Farm Manager... I can't say it. Assistant Flannel Farm Manager.
Keep growing as you grow. We'll see you next time. Bye.